cropped live-in leggings. We wanted to bring you a length that is not capri and isn't full length. So here is the cropped version. You'll see it on the girls coming out. It's a great in between from a full length, so the capris hit. I wear the capri length all the time, but it's just a few inches below the knee is where the capri is, and then these are probably several inches below that. So full length is here, the crop is probably here, where the capri is up here. So great length for transitioning temperatures into warmer weather. So this one's easy. Let's see, who's in this one? Katie is in this, and Lexi, so you can kind of see the height, the length. These are two sizes 2 to 8, and then we have 10 to 16. So the length on Katie, on someone 5'1" or shorter, you'll see where that is good crop length on her. And then Lexi is in them too. So you can kind of see where they hit on a longer inseam. Okay, just easy crop length. Good length for transitioning temperatures. Okay. Do we size down in these? Lori, I'm not sure if you're asking about these. I would stay in your size range for these. What size does Lexi wear in the Perfect Pocket Tee? She wears, Lexi? Extra small. Okay. All right. Katie, sorry, I was trying to catch a couple of questions. And then Amanda is in the 10 to 16. These. Amanda. Okay. Then there's the length on her. Back up just one step. There, you guys can see. Swipe. You can swipe your comments to the side if you guys can see. 10 to 16 on Amanda. Okay.